Welcome to the Residence 403. Spectacular views of the Atlantic and Intercoastal Ocean await you right here. Located in the heart of the Millionaires Row, this spacious, stunning 3-bedroom and 5-bathroom residence features formal dining area, large living space, and suite master bedroom with his and hers closet and a separate laundry room. Enjoy ocean sunrises and skyline sunsets with 180 degrees views. First-class concierge services, unlimited parking, and in-house restaurant delivering to your door. This residence is just steps away from the ocean and a quick drive to Miami International Airport, the famous Harbour shops, and world-known Lincoln Road Mall.